welcome back to Story Time with Renu. Ta-da-dee-dum-dum, ta-da-dee-dum-dum, ta-da-dee-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum. There's a story here, there's a story there, there's a story everywhere. A story for you, a story for me, and a story for everyone. Listen to the story, share the story, pass the story on. Ta-da-dee-dum-dum, ta-da-dee-dum-dum, ta-da-dee-dum-dum-dum. Today's story is called The Clever Bird. And if you like this story, please don't forget to like it and share it on. There was once a rich man who was walking in the park. He was admiring the tall trees, the beautiful colorful flowers, and enjoying the cool breeze. All of a sudden, he heard a bird chirping in distress. He looked all around, and there, caught in a thorny bush, was a tiny bird. So he walked across to the bush, parted the thorns, and picked up the bird. But instead of opening up his hand and letting the bird go, he held on to it. A nice bird indeed. I've always wanted one in a cage, and I shall put you one, and you shall stay in my house, said the rich man. To his surprise, the bird started to talk. Let me go, please, let me go. I'm a little bird, and I don't belong in a cage. I'm not letting you go, said the rich man. But why would you want me? I'm too small to eat. I don't have a beautiful voice. And I don't even have colorful feathers. I'm just a grey little bird. Please, give me back my freedom. Why should I want to give you your freedom? What can you give me in return? Asked the rich man. I can give you 3 pieces of wisdom, said the bird. So give me the pieces of wisdom first, and if they are good enough, I'll let you go, said the rich man. The first one, do not wish for something that you cannot have. The second, do not try to undo something that has already happened. And the third, do not believe in the impossible. Those are wise words indeed, said the rich man. He opened up his hand, and the bird flew away. Up and up and up, and went and perched on the very top of a tall tree, and started to chirp. The rich man looked up. Are you laughing at me? Yes, I'm laughing at you. You see, you let me go. What you didn't know was that I have a big diamond the size of a stone in my tummy. What? Come back to me, little bird, come back. I'll put you in a nice big cage. You'll get lots and lots of food to eat. The best fruits, the best grains. You don't have to worry about summer or winter. You'll always have plenty to eat. And will never fall into a thorny bush again. The bird started laughing again. Are you still laughing at me? Yes, because you see, you already forgot the wisdom that I gave you. You have given me my freedom, and now you wish to have me back. Do not wish for something that you cannot have. And why do you want to undo something that has already happened? I'm not going to chirping, the bird flew away. The rich man watched the bird as it flew higher and higher in the sky. And then feeling very unhappy, he went back home. Ta-da-dee-dum-dum, ta-da-dee-dum-dum, ta-da-dee-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum. There's a story here, there's a story there, there's a story everywhere. A story for you, a story for me, and a story for everyone. Listen to the story, share the story, pass the story on. That's the end of today's story. See you soon. Bye-bye.